Hello, everyone. Today I was going to go over some of our math vocabulary and how we are solving our addition with regrouping problems. Um, First, I want to go over that we're going to be doing base 10 using base 10 model, and we're going to be drawing those things out. For example, we have a hundreds block that's worth 100. And we have a 10 stick that's worth 10. And then we have our little units here that are going to be worth 1. So for example, if we're going to write the number 321, we wanted to use these base 10 models. I'm going to draw a place value grid here. So hundreds, tens, and ones. And to get 321, we would do 300. So it's 3 of these blocks. We got 2 tens and 1 1. So that would be read as 321. And we're going to be using this kind of representation to our addition with regrouping. So let's do a standard problem of 2 double digits adding to each other. So let's do like 25 plus 19 equals something. Sometimes you'll get the equation set like this. I like to rewrite the equation. So it's going to be 25 over 19. We're going to do a plus sign here, pull line over here. And then I like to imagine that there's this is the tens place and this is the ones place. And in future videos, we'll go over the hundreds place. So I'm going to draw out the place value grid here. So I put 2, which is tens and ones. And I'm going to take this top number, 25, and I'm going to record it here. So we got 2 tens and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I always tell my students when we're looking at addition, we're gonna make this kind of plus sign right here in the middle. You can see this plus sign here in the middle. That means we're going to be adding something to it. And what we're going to be adding to 25 is 19. So that's 1 10 stick and 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 19. Let's just double check. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So that's 19. And then 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, so we're going to be performing this first. We're going to be doing 5 plus 9. We already know that 9 is really close to 10. So what we're going to do is we're just going to circle 10 of these, which here's 5 here and 5 here. We're going to circle those. And then we're going to draw an arrow and draw another 10 stick over here. So I took these 10 and I moved them over here. That's basically saying that 1, 2, 3, 4, it's going to be, we have a 4 here. And so we had 14, we carried that 1. That's old school. Now, all we have to do is count up our tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so our answer would be 44. Oh, I just noticed that some of it got cut off on our paper. So let's try another one just to show you guys. Again, we can do double digit addition. This time let's do 28 plus 28 equals something. That's what we're looking for. So I like to line it up again. 28 plus 28. Put my line in here. I always start at the top number here. And we're going to put tens and ones. And so we got 2 tens, 8 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we look at the sign. We're going to make a plus sign right here, right? And we're going to put 28 below as well. 1, 2, that's 20, 10, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to group these. If there's 10 here, we're going to put 10 in a group and then bring it over. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to circle those 10, and then I'm just going to put an arrow and put a 10. It doesn't really matter where, as long as it makes it over to the tens place. That's the important part. So now I'm just going to count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 here. That's 6 in the ones place here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 here. So this might answer 56. My next video I'm going to show you is with subtraction and how we do subtraction.